Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the Kazakhstan Mathematical Olympiad 9th grade 2023, problem number 4. It's probably problem number 4. I found this problem on the Art of Problem Solving forums. Numeration was a little bit iffy. Again, link will be in the description of this video. So take this with a pinch of salt. It's probably from that Olympiad from Kazakhstan, hopefully. Whatever. Let x and y be positive numbers such that x squared y squared plus 2x cubed times y equals 1. Find the minimum value of x plus y. This problem is rather simple. My hints for you. Let x plus y be a new variable, z for example, and express y in terms of x and this new variable z. It's usually a good idea to, if we want to minimize or maximize something, it's good to call it and express other variables in terms of this new variable, if it is possible. And moreover, along the way, the following obvious inequality may be beneficial, namely, t plus 1 over t is always greater than or equal to for every positive number t. An equality is attained only if t equals 1. We'll give this problem a try and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so my solution goes like that. As I suggested, let z be equal x plus y. Okay, and let's take our equation and let's transform it to form without y. So here's our expression. X squared, y is z minus x. And here again we have z minus x, that equals 1. Perfect. And now let's distribute everything. X squared, z squared minus 2zx plus x squared plus 2 times x cubed z minus 2x to the fourth power equals 1. Very nice. And now we have what exactly? Let's write it. So we have z x squared z squared minus 2 times x cubed z plus x to the fourth power plus 2x cubed z minus 2x to the fourth power equals 1. And now let's notice the nice fact that this and this vanishes. And moreover, here we have x to the fourth power minus x to the fourth power, so we can write it in the following way. X squared z squared equals 1 plus x to the fourth power. And since we are dealing with positive numbers, we can safely divide by x squared. Okay. That's a simple relation between z and x. And now, let's notice, as I suggested, let's notice that 1 over x to the second power plus x to the second power is greater than or equal to, which means that z is greater than or equal square root of 2. Again, z is positive because z is a sum of two positive numbers. Okay, so our minimum is square root of 2 or greater. But let's notice that if x equals 1, what happens then? Well, then z equals square root of 2. And that means that can mean only one thing, namely the minimum of x plus y, where x and y are positive, and x squared y squared plus 2x cubed y equals 1, this minimum equals square root of 2 equals square root of 2. And that is exactly our answer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.